I have basically two options for this upcoming summer. Either fix the drivetrain of my old bike, or then get a new cross bike. In that respect, the Canyon Inflite was the most interesting bike of the Bike Expo for me. It had an aluminium frame with a clearance for wide tires and SRAM Force Groupset. That would be a sweet deal. There's one weakness in my current cyclocross bike, and that's the brakes. Inflite has hydraulic brakes, which is a big plus in my book. Do you have a one-by system in a cross bike? And if you do, how do you like it? Because I think one-by system is great for mountain biking, and that's what I'm used to when I'm riding with my tall boy, but on a cross bike, where I will ride also on road, gravel roads, I'm thinking that the jumps between the gears might be too large. What do you think? The Inflite had interesting choice for pedals. The wheelset was Reynold Assault carbon. I could do with a lower spec wheelset. This is quite pricey. Canyon says that the M-size bike weighs 8.3 kilos without the pedals. The price of this Inflite was 2,800 euros, which is quite high. It has an aluminium frame, but of course you do get the nice carbon wheelset and a nice Groupset. But still, I was thinking also about the other Inflite models, because the lower spec models are much cheaper. For example, the SLX 8 Pro Race, that's 1,800 euros. I need to figure out which way I want to go. Get a new drivetrain for the old bike, or then get a new cross bike. The disc brakes are so tempting.